आर यू कमिटिंग? हाँ, तो अभी क्या करना है? सो निपुण का कमिटमेंट इधर मेरे पास है. बोथ ऑफ देम हैव रिटन.
मुझे नहीं पता ने अनऑफिशियल नाम लिखा है कि ऑफिशियल.
That's the thing about risk. It's risky. My God! And the correct answer is. Ho ho ho!
Keep your Pluto to yourself.
I'm a simple man. Dad. माचो खराब मत करो यार मेरा. 50s assemble. एक सवाल दुनिया बदल सकता है. Welcome brainies to a new game show. A risky game of knowledge. Stakes and ladders. कैसे खेलेंगे? The funda of the game is to earn, invest and avoid your loss. Every question is a ladder of 3 clues, revealed one at a time.
Okay.
ठीक है? You can commit your answer after any clue. So for example, player 1 ने clue 1 के बाद किया, player 2 ने clue के बाद किया. Commit करके वो मुझे थमा दोगे आप. The fewer clues you use, the more points you win. Clue 1 के बाद अगर आपने आंसर सही दिया 15 points, Clue 2 के बाद 10 points, Clue 3 के बाद 5 points. नहीं दिया आंसर तो 0 points, ना फायदा ना नुकसान. और अगर दिया और आंसर गलत निकला तो -10. ठीक है? तो avoid losses also. अब बारी है stakes की. Optionally, you can also stake your points to win more points. So before I reveal the clue 1, I'll reveal the category of the question and then you can stake based on the category. Your staked points are the additional winnings or losses. So if you win, you get 15 plus staked points, 10 plus staked points, plus 5 plus staked points. But if you skip the question, you lose your staked points. ठीक है, इसका 0 नहीं है. And if you commit and you stake and you give the wrong answer, then you lose 10 points and as well as your staked points. ठीक है, तो carefully we'll play.
ठीक है.
One final power that staking gives you. Once you commit your answer, you cannot change or withdraw it or take it back unless you have staked your points. If you have staked your points after committing your answer, when more clues are revealed, you can actually say, "Oh, I think मेरा answer गलत है, तो I'll withdraw my answer." So withdraw कर सकते हो, but you lose your staked points, but you will not lose that additional 10 points for the wrong answer. Now with this out of the way, let's start the game. The game is first person to reach 100 points in next 16 questions wins.
You ready? Swag to lose. I'm ready to win.
Okay. ठीक है, let's start. First question. Here is on the screen. And audience, why don't you play along? Just in the comments.
Yeah.
हाँ. Category is cricket.
Hey.
अभी स्टेक करने के लिए कुछ है नहीं हमारे पास.
Good.
So let's earn some points first. ठीक है. तो clue 1 छुपा के लिखना. ठीक है, जब भी लिखना हो तो. Clue 1. An Indian former international cricketer who captained the Indian national ODI team between 1996 and 1999. If you know who this person is, तो अपना आंसर आप लिख के स्लिप के अंदर मुझे सबमिट कर सकते हैं. कमिट टू इट. इफ यू आर नॉट श्योर, आई कैन रिवील द क्लू 2. Clue 2?
Yeah.
Okay. So nobody's playing for 15 points. Let's play for 10 points now. World's first batsman to score a double century in ODI cricket. Anybody want to comment?
अगर निकला तो -10 हो जाऊंगी. हाँ. I'd still take it.
You want to commit anything? Or you want to see the next clue?
Yes,
ठीक है.
my answer next.
So okay, so Nipun has committed for 10 points. Here it is. So
I'll wait for the next.
okay, next one. He is the all-time highest run scorer in both ODI and Test cricket with more than 18,000 runs and 15,000 runs respectively. Don't take any attempt now. After clue 3.
I'll take an attempt.
छुपा के.
अगर वो अटेम्प्ट ना ले तो 0 हो जाएगा ना.
हाँ, तो skip 0.
And
No,
अगर गलत हुआ तो
तो -10.
5.
-10.
अच्छा.
Wrong answer is -10.
Oh God. I think I'll skip.
Okay, you will pass. ठीक है. So पहले हम आंसर देखते हैं. आंसर क्या है? The answer of this question
80% sure.
is
90.
सचिन तेंदुलकर. एंड निप्पू ने लिखा है सचिन तेंदुलकर. वेरी गुड निप्पू. सो यू विन 10 पॉइंट्स. गुड जॉब. आपके कितने पॉइंट्स बने? 15 बने क्या?
बन गए होंगे आप लोगों के तो.
बने नहीं बने वो अब आपके साथ खेलता हूँ. एक ऑडियंस क्वेश्चन आपके लिए. ठीक है, आपके लिए कैटेगरी है यम्मी फूड. क्लू 1. It's a mixed rice dish from Iran that is made with rice, some type of meat and spices. कुछ समझा? समझ गए तो अभी के अभी लिख दो clue 1, answer this. अगला clue. To cater to vegetarians in some cases, it is prepared by substituting vegetables or paneer for the meat. अब बना गया. And last clue for you is one of the most popular dishes in South Asia, including India. अगर सही जवाब है तो कमेंट्स में लिख दो. We'll pick 10 lucky winners and give them a bundle of all our ebooks, quizzing ebooks for free. ठीक है, ऐसे ही सवाल और आएंगे वीडियोस के अंदर, सबके आंसर लिखने पड़ेंगे आपको. ये डील है अपनी. ठीक है, चलें अगला सवाल हमारे लिए आप.
Yes.
It's a Disney character.
Okay.
You want to stake anything?
नहीं.
You have 10 points to stake.
नहीं, I don't.
नहीं. ठीक है. So for 15 points, clue 1 is this. A fictional character in Disney's The Lion King, first appearing as a lion cub in the feature-length film adaptation.
Okay, if I answer plus 15 में भी तो भी मेरा -10 ही होगा ना गलत
हाँ,
है तो.
-10 होगा.
चल फिर तो रिस्क ले लेते हैं. इससे ज़्यादा तो मुझे कुछ सूझेगा नहीं.
अच्छा, there are 2 more clues.
I don't.
Oh wow, Nipun has committed for 15 points in my hands.
I'll wait for clue 2.
Okay, clue 2, Swat. The character flees his homeland when his father, King Mufasa, is killed by his treacherous uncle Scar. For 10 points, Nipun played too fast, too quickly. क्या? Third clue देखते हैं. Rohit Shetty has made a completely unrelated movie with the same name as of this character, though with an additional M in the spelling. फिर बना क्या? चलो, तो हम आगे चलते हैं. पहले देखते हैं निपुन ने लिखा क्या था before revealing the answer. निपुन ने लिखा था मुफासा.
जो सेकंड क्लू में क्वेश्चन में ही आ गया.
इसलिए बोलते हैं गाइस. हाँ, इतना फटाफट मत भागो, इतना और कॉन्फिडेंस ना हो अपने ऊपर.
I have not watched Lion King, so I thought मुझे कुछ पता ही
तो
नहीं.
और भी क्लूज हैं.
I am very confident. I hope मैंने सही लिखा
तो
हो.
स्वाति का आंसर देखते हैं. फॉर 10 पॉइंट्स इसने क्या लिखा है? सिम्बा. एंड द आंसर इज सिम्बा. गुड जॉब Swat. Nippu is at 0. Swat is at 10 points now. Good job.
Oh man, ये तो सांप सीढ़ी वाई भी आ रही है. सांप ने काट लिया मुझे.
हाँ, सांप ने काट लिया.
सिम्बा ने.
हाँ. Category. Nipun, you don't have to anything to stake. The category is Silicon Valley, but Nipun doesn't have anything to stake. Swat has 10 points to stake. Do you want to stake?
And now
No.
I feel like staking in this category, and I don't have.
You
any.
felt like risk taking. You take risk. You cannot stake risk.
वाह.
चलने.
Yeah, no, I'll not.
ओके,
stake
ठीक है.
anything.
देखो, इसको बोलते हैं अवॉइड लॉस. हाँ, चलो 15 पॉइंट्स के लिए. Clue 1. The company was founded in a one-car garage in Palo Alto by Bill Dash and David Dash in 1939 and initially produced a line of electronic test and measurement equipment. Anybody who wants to commit an answer? No? Let's go ahead. Let's play for 10 points now. The garage at 267 Edison Avenue is now designated an official California historical landmark and is marked with a plaque calling it birthplace of Silicon Valley. Like इस एक गैराज की वजह से सिलिकन वैली को सिलिकन वैली बोलते हैं because of this one company that was started.
जो dash हैं are not revealed for some reason, right? ऐसा नहीं है कि they're same or they're the answer.
मतलब if I tell the last name then हाँ.
एक guessable नहीं है.
नहीं? You want to take any guess?
I mean, मेरे पास भी एक guess है.
तो
but मैं
anybody wants to commit? No?
last clue.
हाँ, देखा थोड़ा स्टेक करके ना वो मिल जाएगा विड्रॉ करने का. ठीक है. Playing for 5 points now. Popularly known by its 2-letter acronym made from the last names of its founders. And now we know many.
This is the guess I had शुरू से.
But good job. Don't take unwanted risk.
I'm still.
You're still at 0. इस गेम में आप नेगेटिव में भी जा सकते हो.
अभी
हाँ.
गलत हुआ तो चली जाऊंगी.
हाँ. But मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. Still at 0. It's fine. So Nipun has committed her answer for 5 points.
मेरे पास जो आंसर था वो फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड से समझ आ रहा था, बट लास्ट वाले क्लू से फिट नहीं हो रहा.
तो अब You want to commit something or pass?
I think I should pass.
Or you will pass? ठीक है, Sweat has passed. तो अब हम देखते हैं Sweat का आंसर ऐसे होता क्या अगर वो पेल खेलती तो. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ओके. अब ये देखते हैं कि तो बिल गेट्स लगा उधर है ना. अब देखते हैं निपुण ने क्या आंसर लिखा है. निपुण ने लिखा है ह्यूलेट पैकार्ड HP. अब देखते हैं इसका आंसर क्या है. ह्यूलेट पैकार्ड HP. गुड जॉब निपु.
Oh God. मेरी फर्स्ट गेस थी. I could have done 15 but I
कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, रिस्क टेकिंग बहुत सोच समझ के बहुत अच्छा किया. तो you are at 5 points now. Positive, you are at 10 points now.
Yes, Sweat positive.
We are 3 questions down. है ना, 13 और बचे हैं. First to reach 100. वरना both are losing. ऐसा नहीं मेरे 90 थे, मेरे 92 थे तो मैंने जीत. हाँ, both will lose.
Okay.
Reach 100. One more question for audience. Here you go. The category is Hollywood movie. A 1977 American epic film written and directed by George Lucas. 15 points के लिए बना गया. Next clue. It is the first film released in the series but is 4th in the chronological order of the series. Up. Last clue. The film is set a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. ठीक है, आप लोगों का सवाल हो गया. Now let's get back to the game. Ready guys?
Yes.
For the next question.
Ready.
Yeah.
So the category of the next question is familiar writer. You have 10 points, you have 5 points. Do you want to stake something?
Yeah.
Minimum staking is 5 points.
I want to stake 5 points.
You want to?
That's all I have.
You want to stake 5 points?
Yeah, writer, I think I
Okay.
can stake.
I will still wait.
हाँ ठीक है. तो let's play for 15 points. Clue 1. An English journalist, novelist, poet and short story writer. He was born in British India, which inspired much of his work. His children's book are classics.
I'll wait.
Okay, you'll wait.
Yeah.
You'll also wait?
Yes.
ठीक है, let's play for 10 points now. In 1907, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature as the first English language writer to receive the prize, and at 41, its youngest recipient to date.
Give me 2 minutes.
You have 5 points. Even if you stake, you can withdraw later on.
कुछ सूझे तो 1907.
Otherwise, we have one last clue.
There is a name जो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
Okay. You don't want to commit anything? So, Sweat wants to go for the next clue 3.
Yeah, okay.
What?
Clue 3.
Clue 3? Clue 3. He created the character Mowgli.
Oh.
I know but मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है.
मैं तो कहीं और ही जा रही थी. Good. I waited.
So Nipun played for 5 points and she has staked 5 points. Sweat, will pass?
मुझे clue 1 से पता था कि तू किसकी बात कर रहा है but नाम
Oh.
blank. It starts with R. Is what I can say.
Okay, let's see. So Sweat has a guess जिसका नाम R से start होता है.
Yeah, Sweat, this is that one. You know which one.
निपुन का देखते हैं. निपुन ने भी ऐसा ही एक नाम लिखा है जिसका नाम R से start होता है. निपुन has written Rudyard Kipling.
यही
ऐसा ही कुछ
याद
था क्या? अच्छा, अब देखते हैं इसका आंसर है क्या. Rudyard Kipling.
क्या मैं सिर्फ किपलिंग लिखती तो मिलता
I would have given it to you.
हाँ.
हाँ.
किपलिंग याद आ रहा था.
हाँ.
R के Kipling तक तो
कुछ ऐसे सोच
हाँ,
रहा
हाँ,
था
हाँ.
यार.
कुछ भी यूनिक होता ना कि ऐसे नहीं सिर्फ जेम्स समझ में नहीं आता पर
हाँ.
किपलिंग हाँ.
Okay.
Okay, Sweat, so you are still at 10. Nipun, you played for 5, so you get 5 points. You staked 5,
so you get 10 points.
10 more points. So you are at 15 points now.
Yay.
Good job. So now you are at 15 and you are at 10.
ऑन द रिकॉर्ड कोई सेकंड क्लू से एक किसी ने एक हाउस फॉर मिस्टर विश्वास करके बुक है कोई वो भी कोई फेमस राइटर की है तो मुझे लगा ये वो है और मैंने वो बुक मंगाई थी इसलिए कि अरे इसको कोई तो प्राइज मिला है शायद अब लग रहा था नोबेल प्राइज
मुझे फर्स्ट से पता था ये है पर व्हेन तू नहीं जा रही थी वहाँ तो मैंने कहा क्यों नहीं सोच रही है तो पता होगा इसे तब मैं इसको देख के लाइक वो शायद मैं गलत सोच रही हूँ
चलो
Let's continue. Next question. The category is music. You have 10 points to stake. You have 15 points to stake. Anybody wants to stake anything?
yeah I'll take 5 points.
Okay.
I will also stake 5 points.
Okay. Both of them staking 5 points each. तो now both of them power up कि अगर आंसर कमिट करने के बाद उनको लगे ओहो ये तो गलत कमिट कर दिया, they can withdraw their answers, but they'll have to let go of their staked points.
ठीक है.
Clue 1 for 15 points on your screens right now. A Swedish media service provider founded on 23 April 2006 by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorenzon. You've already committed. Nipun has committed for 15 points
Oh my god.
after staking 5 points, but then she can always withdraw.
No, I'll wait.
You wait for clue 2? Okay, let's do it. As of December 2023, it was the 47th most visited website in the world, but has no presence in mainland China, where the market is dominated by QQ Music.
Whoa.
You want to withdraw?
नहीं.
Stay with your
नहीं,
answer?
I'm sure.
Okay. You want to commit something or move on to the next clue?
अच्छा, if I skip तो मेरे -5 है ना?
हाँ, you lose 5 points if you do not answer this question. But there's one more clue left.
हाँ.
Next clue?
Clue 3.
हाँ, let's see. It is one of the largest music streaming service providers with over 615 million monthly active users, including 239 million paying subscribers as of March 2024.
Okay.
239 million.
अब मैं ये नहीं भी करूँगी तो भी माइनस जाएगा.
You want to commit something?
I'll
ठीक है.
commit.
So Swati has played for 5 points. ठीक है. Now before revealing the answer, let's see इन दोनों ने क्या लिखा है. So निपुण ने पहले 15 points के लिए लिखा था Spotify. ठीक है. ये निपुण का आंसर था. और स्वाति ने लिखा है Spotify. तो या तो दोनों जीतेंगे दोनों हारेंगे. Let's see the answer is Spotify. Good job champs, good job. तो स्वेट तूने 5 स्टेक किए थे और 5 के लिए खेला. You win 10 points. You had 10 points. So you are now at 20 points. Good job. Nipun, you staked 5 points and you played for 15 points. So you win 20 points. You had 15 points. So you are at 35 now. Great job. Clue 1 पे तूने कमिट कर दिया बेटे.
I remember Daniel Ek का नाम. so,
अच्छा.
yeah.
अरे निप्पी
नाम
पिप्पी.
वो.
चलें.
Closer to 100 little bit.
हाँ.
फिर भी बहुत दूर है अभी
हाँ,
लग रहा है.
ठीक है. चलते हैं. Next category.
Hmm.
Here we go. Is just internet things. The question is related to something to do with internet.
I will not stake.
Okay. Do you want to stake?
यार तू जिस इंटरनेट में रहता है उस इंटरनेट में हम नहीं रहते.
हाँ. I have made sure मैं उस इंटरनेट से चीजें लेकर आऊँ जहाँ पे आप दोनों रहते हो.
If you say I'll stake 5 points.
क्योंकि आप नहीं जानते, इससे पहले हमने एक और एपिसोड शूट किया था जो बहुत ही वियर्ड हो गया था. डिफरेंट रूल्स थे, क्वेश्चंस बड़े अजीब से थे जो मेरे इंटरनेट से थे वो. हाँ, सो हमने वो स्क्रैप कर दिया.
Yeah.
तो निपुण,
5.
you want to stake 5 points? Okay.
Just because तू ऐसा बोल रहा है, अभी कुछ निकला ना.
You don't want to stake
नहीं,
anything?
yeah,
ठीक है.
let's stake.
So let's play for 15 points. Clue 1 on your screens right now. It is the act of spending an excessive amount of time reading large quantity of news, particularly negative news, on the internet and social media. It's a particular act of doing it on the internet. You want to commit anything? Do you want to commit anything?
Next.
Let's play for 10 points now. It can also be defined as the excessive consumption of short form videos or social media content for an excessive period of time without stopping. देखा, मैं आप दोनों के इंटरनेट से ढूंढ कर लाया हूँ चीज़. निपुण तेरे से तो लाया ही हो.
See, 10 से मुझे कुछ सूझ रहा है बट वो
हाँ.
15 से नहीं जुड़ रहा है.
मेरा भी
So
same.
I'm not sure. I can give you, then withdraw and then give another answer.
नहीं, you can only withdraw. Cannot change your answer.
I cannot change my answer. I will wait.
हाँ, first clue gives you the origin of this word. Second clue is like what is the name,
And
like what is the common.
Now I'm giving and the main writing. अगर
समझ में नहीं आया तो -10.
अरे अच्छा लिखा है,
हाँ.
फिर से लिख देती हूँ.
I have a name, I have a word, but
You want to comment?
I cannot take it back ना, क्योंकि मैंने stake
हाँ,
नहीं
you
किया
have
है.
not staked. ठीक है. So you want to play for clue 3?
हाँ,
देख 2 बार लिखा है, सेम ही चीज लिखी है.
हाँ, सेम चीज लिखी होनी चाहिए.
सेम ही चीज लिखी है, बट
ठीक है. So for Nipun has committed her answer for 10 points. So at want to clue 3?
I don't know.
Made up of 2 words. First word means darkness and the second word means sliding through. How confident are you? Quite confident?
Second word तो मुझे समझ आ गया. Darkness में मेरे को
10 पे किया ना मैंने. हाँ, गुड. This is
And you have staked 5 points.
yeah, but this is less of a competition हम दोनों में, more of a competition खुद से.
हाँ.
second word सही होगा तो मिलेगा कुछ.
नहीं. ये क्योंकि फाइनल एक ही वर्ड है अब तो. It's made up of 2 words but it's
हाँ.
said as 1 word.
Oh God, this is so stressful. कि आंसर दे दूं कि स्किप कर दूं.
स्किप करके सही निकल गया तो
तब
रिग्रेट
तो
होगा.
बहुत regret होगा. 10 पे चली
Snakes
जाऊंगी मैं.
and ladders.
I'll skip.
Okay. Sweat is skipping. Okay, so the question is over. Sweat, you had a guess. अगर Sweat guess देती तो क्या होता?
Mindless scrolling.
Mindless scrolling. ठीक है, 2 words हैं. देखते हैं निपुण ने 10 points के लिए क्या कमिट किया है. ठीक है. She has said doom scrolling. Let's see what the answer is. ये word सुना है कभी तूने पहले? It's doom scrolling. Good job, Nipu. So you staked 5 points. You played for 10 points. You win 15 points. You are at 50 points now.
Oh, halfway there.
Nipu is at 50 points. Sweat skipped the question, so she is still at 20 points.
Yeah, good decision.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, mindless scrolling. हाँ, इसको आप
scrolling.
doom scrolling बोलते हैं कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, सिर्फ darkness के यूं करे जा रहे हैं.
Same है वो दोनों word वैसे?
हाँ, मीनिंग
Mindless
सेम है.
and doom.
हाँ.
Okay.
बस दिस इज अ प्रॉपर वर्ड, एक वर्ड है ये doom scrolling.
Okay.
So before you doom scroll to the next video on YouTube, if you're enjoying this game show, let us know by subscribing to this channel and leaving a comment. It would mean a world to us. Special shout out to Kriti who wrote a beautiful poem for us in the comments in Quizingo episode number 2. तो इधर देख सकते हो. Thank you Kriti. Shout out to you and more power to you.
And she leaves a really kind comments in almost all our videos.
Yes.
And she also attended our, I think, the first quiz show. So Kriti, thank you so much. We need a lot more Kritis.
हाँ, yes. एक शो ऐसा भी करना चाहिए, Mistakes and Letters का, where everybody is playing.
Oh my God, guys!
It would be fun.
Please feel this tension.
हाँ, मजा आएगी. मतलब do you want us to do this show? Let
Yeah.
us know. चलो चले आगे.
हाँ.
Let's go. Next question. The category is traditions.
No step.
No staking.
Traditions. Interesting.
परंपरा प्रतिष्ठा.
Divya is 50 ना?
हाँ. She's at 50. You have 20 points to stake. Minimum staking 5 points.
5 points. I'll stake.
Oh. Swad is taking 5 points. Nipun, are you sure?
यार देख, वैसे तुझे कुछ खास ट्रेडिशंस पता तो है नहीं. तो कुछ, पर मुझे भी बिल्कुल कुछ खास नहीं पता. सो आई
ठीक है.
अब पता नहीं ट्रेडिशंस हैं किस दुनिया के, but let's see.
I'll stay away.
ठीक है, चलो. Let's play for 15 points. Clue 1. Here it is. A legendary figure originating in the Western culture and part of several traditions, who is said to bring gifts during the late evening and overnight hours.
No, this is not what I'm thinking. नहीं, अभी नहीं.
हमें वो फिगर बताना
Figure
है ना?
बताना है.
हाँ.
You have staked 5 points, so you have also have a power up. You do not have a power up. Okay.
I do not.
You want to go to clue 2.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Okay. Are you committing?
She's written but you're not giving.
हाँ, अपने पास रखा है तब तक चेंज कर सकते हो. उसी पॉइंट तक खेलोगे फिर आप.
हाँ.
हाँ, तो अभी क्या करना है? You want to commit?
Yes.
Okay. So Swati is committing for 15 points
Who's that?
and she has staked 5 points. तो इसको अपने पास रखते हैं. आगे चलते हैं. Clue 2.
Oh, it can also be.
The popular conception originates from folklore tradition surrounding the 4th century bishop Saint Nicholas, the patron saint of children. How confident are you about your answer? You want to withdraw?
No,
Not yet, है ना? अभी तो एक और clue है. अभी नहीं करने का sense
Now
बनता.
I regret not putting a stick.
Okay, you are committing to your answer. You are committing at 10 points. ठीक है. So निपुण का commitment इधर मेरे पास है. चलो clue 3 पे देखते हैं अभी. He has a deep hearty laugh. Ho ho ho. दोनों बहुत खुश लग रहे हैं. देखते दोनों ने लिखा क्या है. Both of them have written Santa Claus. And the answer is Santa Claus. Good job, guys. Good job, Brainies. Good job.
कुछ स्टेक पे लगा देना चाहिए.
हाँ. ठीक है, तो points की बात करते हैं. Sweat, you had staked 5 points. You have played at 15 points. You win 20 points. You were at 20 points. So you are now at 40 points. Good job. Nipun, you did not stake anything, but you played at 10 points. You had 50 points. So you are at 60 points. Good job.
जाके तो 100 हो गए.
हाँ.
क्या यार मोहित, इतना ही था तेरा ट्रेडिशन. I could have.
I'm a simple man.
I made also guys Santa Claus.
हाँ.
Let's see.
हाँ. Ho ho ho. So talking of gifts,
Oh.
there's one more question for audience. Because जो तीनों का आंसर सही दे देगा, कम से कम clues use करके, we'll send them all the ebooks that we have for free. ठीक है? So here's your question. It's a gadget that we are talking about. Clue 1. The hardware platform which Lab 126, subsidiary of a popular parent company, developed began as a single device in 2007. It enables users to browse, buy, download and read books, newspapers, magazines, audiobooks and other digital media. Clue 2. During the development, the code name for the device was Fiona, but now the name means to light a fire. And clue 3. Lab 126 is a subsidiary of Amazon. ठीक है. By the way, 126 का मतलब होता है Amazon के लोगों में arrow goes from A to Z. So A is letter 1 and Z is 26. So Lab 126. ठीक है. तो 3 सवाल हो गए हैं आपके. तीनों के 3 क्लोज हो गए हैं. कमेंट्स हो रहे हैं अभी. चले. Next question for you guys. The category is football. You have 40 points to stake. You have 60 points to stake.
Oh my god, football.
देख इसका भी कुछ खास तो है नहीं. फुटबॉल नॉलेज है ना. I'll take 5 points.
Okay, you want to stake 5
Just
points.
trusting your football no knowledge. Sorry.
I have entire Google with me.
I know, but
Yeah.
oh god, Mohit.
You want to stake anything out of your 40
Sad,
points?
you to should.
I am also not very good at football.
Better than both of us.
Not at playing. I mean,
But knowledge wise भी. But चल ठीक है. 10 points.
wow! First ever stake of 10 points.
Oh हाँ,
Taking
कब से
risk
5-5 ही कर रहे हैं.
ठीक है. चलो, so let's play for clue 1 for 15 points. There you go. An Argentine professional footballer who plays as a forward for and captains both Major League Soccer club Inter Miami and the Argentina national team.
हाँ. I know football fans, this might be offensive for you, but मुझे नहीं पता. Next.
You want to comment something?
Name, but मुझे लग रहा है 10 mistake क्या? Clue 2.
Clue 2?
हाँ.
Yeah, clue 2.
Let's go to clue 2 for 10 points now on your screens here. Widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time and was named the world's best player for a record 8 times by FIFA. Swad has committed her answer for 10 points. Nipo? Let's go to clue 3? Okay. Clue 3. He is the second highest goal scorer with 838 goals.
कुछ खास हुआ नहीं clue 3 लेके.
There are basically 2 big players. He is the second highest one.
I hope I picked the right one.
You know what, I'll not take this.
Okay.
मैं 5 पॉइंट लगाए पर.
हाँ.
तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
तो आंसर देके विड्रॉ कर सकता था बट ठीक है विड्रॉ करने का ऑप्शन नहीं है अभी बट सो इफ यू डू नॉट आंसर यू लूज 5 पॉइंट्स बट इफ यू गिव इनकरेक्ट आंसर यू लूज 15 पॉइंट्स 5 स्टेक पॉइंट्स एंड 10 फॉर द रॉन्ग आंसर
नहीं, then I'll prefer losing just 5
ओके
points.
यू आर स्किपिंग स्वेट यू वांट टू विड्रॉ गो अहेड लेट्स सी स्वेट ने लिखा क्या है सो स्वेट ने लिखा है मेसी
Yeah, that was my guess, but
let's see how messy this game becomes. It's Messi! Good job, Swat. So you played for 10 points, you stake 10 points, you win 20 points, you are at 60. Nipun, you lost your 5 stake points, you were at 60. So you are at 55 now. Swat has just overtaken Nipun.
Oh my god.
Good job.
फर्स्ट प्लेयर कौन रोनाल्डो
Yes.
Yay!
Yeah, good job.
वो स्वैट
4 I have 40 marks I have to score.
अब हमारी फाइट है अभी तक थी नहीं पर वैसे फाइट ज्यादा खुद से है यार
हाँ ये तो
हाँ, पर इजी से लाया मैं आज क्वेश्चन.
हाँ,
नहीं
good.
अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे गुड
चल चले.
हम्म
और खिलाने में मजा आ रहा है, पता है वो क्लू ऐसे करते करते
हाँ.
टेंशन. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स प्ले. सो निपुन, यू आर एट 55 पॉइंट्स, यू आर एट 60 पॉइंट्स, वेरी क्लोज. एक सवाल दुनिया बदल सकता है, आगे चलते हैं. सो कैटेगरी इज अमेरिकन आर्टिस्ट.
I will not stick.
यू विल नॉट टेक एनीथिंग, यू विल टेक समथिंग.
प्रेशर में आई वांट टू स्टेक अ लॉट सो दैट आई कैन गो अहेड
But you can also lose a lot.
एग्जैक्टली
That's the kind of thing
मुझे लग
with
रहा है मैं
risk.
नाम ही भूल जाऊंगी तो आई
That's the thing about risk. It's risky.
मुझे ना पार समझ नहीं आ रही मैं स्टेक कर रहा तो मैं बस विड्रॉ कर सकती हूँ
हाँ, तो it's like skipping. Instead of losing 15 points,
हाँ
और you stake points, you lose just lose your stake points. तो 10 points बचा लेगा तू.
और ये फायदा होगा कि क्लू 1 में तूने अगर कर दिया
हाँ, तो 15 आ सकता है, पर क्लू 3 में तुझे लगा कि यार ये
नहीं,
गलत
तो
है मेरा,
withdraw
तो तू
कर
वापस
देगा.
कर सकता है. सिर्फ स्टेक points जाएंगे instead of losing 10 points and your staked points. तो 10
हम्म.
points कम होंगे. It's about minimizing losses. जब लगता है ना ओ ये शेयर खरीद लिया पर अब तो डूब ही रहा है, minimize your losses.
चलो आई स्टेक 5 पॉइंट्स
Oh, okay.
उससे ज़्यादा की हिम्मत नहीं हो रही
You'll stake 5 points. You'll not stake anything. So let's play for 15 points. On your screens, here we go. Born on December 13, 1989, they are an American singer-songwriter known for autobiographical songwriting and artistic reinventions.
1989 क्लू 2
Okay. Swag.
It's only one person, ना?
हाँ ओह शिट सॉरी
Yes. It's one person, but I'm not revealing whether they are male or female. Oh. So Nipun has committed her answer for 15 points. Swat has committed her answer also for 15 points. Let's see. Let's quickly go through both the clues now. Clue 2. They signed with Big Machine Records in 2005, starting as a country pop singer with their first 2 albums. First named after themselves, which came out in 2006, and second called Fearless, which came out in 2008. What is happening, guys? You have power to still withdraw.
do
You
not want to withdraw
Okay.
do not want to
Clue 3. The 6th concert tour, the Eras Tour, is the highest grossing tour ever. Okay, अब देखते हैं स्वैट ने 15 points के लिए क्या लिखा है.
तो साथ
Actually,
में
both ने, दोनों ही ने Taylor Swift लिखा है. And the answer is Taylor Swift. Swifties assemble.
मुझे बस 1989 इसका एक
Album है.
इसलिए मुझे पता था कि ये
हाँ.
टेलर स्विफ्ट है.
And December 13th.
हाँ,
The
ये-
instant you said day तो मुझे लगा अच्छा कोई बैंड की बात कर रहा है and then I saw December 13 I didn't
हाँ.
क्या कर रहा हूँ
मैं
मैं
वही सोच रही थी कि मुझे पता होगा टेलर स्विफ्ट का बर्थडे.
अगर तुम में से कोई भी पहले क्लू पे आंसर नहीं देता ना,
तो
मैं अभी गाना गाने को बोलता. Punishment. चल निपुन. So you were at 55. You staked 5 points. You won 15 points. You won total 20 points.
I think
You are at 75. Swat, you were at 60 points. You did not stake anything, but you won 15 points. So you are also at 75. Both of them at 75 now.
oh my god,
My God.
How many questions are left?
Oh, many. We have many questions.
but
I think-
maybe you might lose before that
But I've said that I will win, so that's not
ठीक
gonna
है, तो अभी थोड़ा स्टेकिंग इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाएगा because we are in the last leg, last 25 points.
oh
कोई 10 पॉइंट स्टेक करके 15 के क्लू पे आंसर करके जीत भी सकता है
Oh my
फटाफट से.
God.
तो ठीक है,
pressure डाल रहे हैं
कैटेगरी
देखते हैं अगली कैटेगरी क्या है अपने पास. सो नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इज
बॉलीवुड.
बॉलीवुड.
हो जाए sweat
Oh my god.
स्वैट, इतना ही अगर पावर स्ट्रॉन्ग चल रही है आज मैनिफेस्टेशन की, तो क्या कहता है, हो जाए 10-15 पॉइंट स्टेक पे.
I think 15 points I will
ओह
stick.
Even I will take 15. So that मैं second clue में भी आंसर दूँ तो भी जीत
Both of them are taking 15 points.
तो बहुत ही है ओह
ठीक है,
चलो
चलें? Clue 1 on your screens right now. A 2004 Indian coming-of-age drama film directed by Farhan Akhtar, starring Amitabh Bachchan, Hrithik Roshan, and Preity Zinta in lead roles. Anybody wants to take any guess? Both of you have take points. You can withdraw later on.
नो वे कुछ क्यों नहीं सोच रहा
Oh my god, I love my life.
So Swati has committed
I love my life.
for 15 points.
Please give me 2 minutes.
We have name of 4 people in this first.
I swear I love Farhan Akhtar. I can't think उसने क्या direct करा है और
Do you want to see clue 2?
no I don't.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Keep your clue to yourself.
Oh my god.
So Nipun has also committed for 15 points at clue 1. दोनों के commitments मेरे हाथ में हैं.
हम same.
चलो, let's see clue 2.
Oh
The film is about Karan Shergill, an aimless, lazy young man and the son of a wealthy businessman from Delhi who joins the Indian army and matures into battlefield hero just as war breaks out. Okay.
I also love my life.
Both of you are confident. Clue 3. The film won the Filmfare Award for Best Choreography, Prabhu Deva.
Yeah, whatever.
दोनों ही इतने confident. आंसर देखते हैं इन्होंने क्या लिखे हैं. So Nipun और Swat. Both of them
काफी
have
poetic
written
है. We are going
लक्ष्य. दोनों लक्ष्य के पास पहुंचते हुए. My God. And the correct answer is लक्ष्य. Swat, एक सवाल. ये लक्ष्य के साथ दिल क्यों बनाया है इधर?
क्योंकि अभी परसों ही मुझे ऋषभ दिखाया था, ऋषभ की फेवरेट मूवी है
ओह।
देखा मैं परसों ही देख रही थी ये मूवी.
Oh wow.
Very good. What timing.
If she wins, she's going to win because of football and Laksh.
Yeah.
Oh my
and
god.
Srish.
So she is going to win because of Rishabh. हाँ. तो फाइनली स्कोरिंग करते हैं. निपुन, you staked 15 points. You played for 15 points. So you in total 130 points. You are at 105. Good job. Swat. You played for 15 points. You staked 15 points. You also win 30 points. You are also at 105.
अब क्या होगा?
हम टाई ब्रेक करेंगे. As soon as somebody goes ahead, the person wins.
Oh.
What do you mean? In the next question?
Yes, in the next question. ठीक
All the
है.
Swat answered first, but yeah, this is not about that. So,
हाँ.
oops.
क्यों नहीं तूने क्लू 2 का वेट किया और फिर आंसर किया?
भाई सारी पिक्चरें देख डाली मन में मैंने. कौन सी है फरहान अख्तर. आई वेंट टू दैट वन आल्सो विच इज शायद जोया अख्तर की. अरे वो जो एक्टर्स
Luck by chance.
ना यार.
हाँ.
मुझे लगा नहीं तो दूसरे अख्तर की है.
हाँ, ज़्यादा स्ट्राइक करना चाहिए था.
ठीक है.
Hmm.
We are in the tie.
We are in the specs breaker round.
We are in the tie breaker
Specs
now.
breaker was very
ठीक है.
funny boy.
माचो खराब मत करो यार मेरा. अब हम हैं टाई ब्रेकर में.
Oh my god.
टाई ब्रेकर बहुत सिंपल सा है.
Hmm.
कोई स्टेकिंग नहीं है. Nothing. First person to write the answer and give it to me
Oh.
and be correct
Oh.
wins.
First person to write.
ठीक है ना. तो बहुत रेडी हाथ तैयार रखना है. फटाफट से जाएंगे. मैं पहले कैटेगरी बताऊंगा. कैटेगरी इज नेचुरल फिनोमिनन. ठीक है. स्टेकिंग अलाउड नहीं है.
करनी भी नहीं है.
हाँ. ठीक है. जो फटाफट से रेडी होकर मुझे लिख के हाथ में पकड़ा लेगा ना किसी भी क्लू पे, द पर्सन विंस. We'll go through the clues quickly.
सारे अच्छा.
They are caused by charged particles from the solar winds interacting with Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. I'll wait for 5 more seconds. Okay. Clue 2. Its name is derived from the name of the Roman goddess of dawn who traveled from east to west announcing the coming of the sun. It's a natural phenomenon. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Last clue. A natural light display in Earth's sky, predominantly seen around the Arctic and Antarctic, polar
Oh,
regions.
what is it called?
Oh yeah, same.
Yeah, I need the name.
अरे यार.
तूने कहा हाथ में पकड़ा देना.
ठीक है. Sweat. तुझे कुछ आ रहा है?
हाँ वो
Can you take a guess? हाँ.
क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें?
Oh, now I'm not sure if.
Oh, wait.
Oh no. I'm not sure if.
अब बता देता हूँ क्या होने वाला है.
क्या ना डिस्क्राइब?
मुझे नाम चाहिए. उसको हम अनऑफिशियल नाम से भी जानते हैं. अनऑफिशियल नाम नहीं चाहिए.
Oh no. Sir, give it. कुछ दे दे. Sir, I think I've written incorrect.
कोई बात नहीं. आई हैव वन मोर टाई ब्रेकर क्वेश्चन. अगर ये दोनों में से कोई नहीं जीत पाया तो.
यार आई नो.
Now
बट
I-
इसे बोलते क्या है?
मुझे नहीं पता ने अनऑफिशियल नाम लिखा है कि ऑफिशियल.
कोई नहीं. लेट्स सी व्हाट द आंसर वाज. पहले देखते हैं निपुण ने लिखा क्या है. निपुण हैज रिटन नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स, लेकिन मेरे क्लू 3 में लिखा है प्रीडोमिनेटली सीन अराउंड द आर्कटिक एंड एंटार्क्टिक पोलर रीजन्स. सो नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स तो एंटार्क्टिक में कैसे हो सकती हैं? इट्स ऑरोरा.
Yes, this is what- Yeah, I just-
Oh man, I knew it.
I have one more tiebreaker. Still, be ready with your pens and paper.
But कुछ नेगेटिव नहीं हुआ इससे.
हम्म.
होना चाहिए वैसे. नहीं गुड नहीं इट्स द गुड मास्टर्स
हाँ,
फॉल्ट.
नहीं
फिर वो तो
हाँ,
लिया ही नहीं ना मैंने अटेम्प्ट किया.
दे दे भाई एक पेज.
ठीक
I
है.
could just see.
हाँ.
मेरे आंखों के सामने
could
दिख रहा था
see.
but अरोरा नाम.
एंड जैसे दिया और फिर मुझे लगा ओ एक और ऑरोरा भी होता है. एंड देन आई थॉट कि ऑरोरा इज द अनऑफिशियल
हाँ,
मे बी.
नहीं that
बट
is-
आई जस्ट हैड होप.
ठीक है ठीक है.
Hmm.
One more tiebreaker. First to write the answers and commit. Category is smartphones. Ready? First clue. A discontinued brand of computer smartphones originally developed by the Canadian company Research in Motion or RIM from 1999 to 2016. 5 seconds, then we'll go to clue 2. Clue 2. Well known for the keyboards on most of its devices and software services that ran through its own servers. Okay, 3, 2, 1. One final clue. There's also a fruit with the same name. Okay, ठीक है. तूने लिख दिया है क्या? चल ना फन करते हैं. Let's play for fun. तू भी कमिट कर दे. ठीक है. क्या कहता है? फन के लिए खेले क्या? जिसका सही होगा वो जीत जाएगा. और दोनों का सही हो तो एक और टाई ब्रेक करेंगे.
व्हाट?
फन? मजा आ रही है नहीं आ रही? दोनों का सही. तू बता कैसे करना है? बिकॉज तूने पहले कमिट किया. डू यू वांट टू हैव फन और
पहले वाले को ही मिलना चाहिए वैसे तो.
ऐसे कब तक खेलते जाएंगे हम?
चल ठीक है देखते हैं.
Listen, that was the rule you had, right?
हाँ चल ठीक है. पहले देखते हैं स्वेट ने क्या लिखा. ठीक है. स्वेट. योर ओनली होप
जिसने
इज
साफ लिखा उसको दे दे.
योर ओनली होप इज कि ये लूज कर जाए.
हाँ,
है ना? तो
हाँ.
फिर एक और टाई ब्रेक में जाएंगे. स्वेट ने लिखा ब्लैकबेरी.
कुछ खास साफ नहीं लिखा. स्वेट.
निपुण ने लिखा ब्लैकबेरी. द आंसर
तेरा साफ.
इज ब्लैकबेरी. Nippon, you win this episode of Stakes and Ladders. Good job, mind blown.
You
How
win
are
with 5 points.
Yes. Wow, you won a tie break. How are you doing, brainies? Doing good. कैसा चल रहा है comments के अंदर अपना गेम? बढ़िया.
Good
So-
game.
Good
Congratulations.
game. Congrats to you too. I think we both were.
हाँ
pretty
अरे
close,
क्या अमेजिंग
yeah.
खेला स्वेट. लास्ट में जो तूने 15 का बैट लिया, which inspired Nippon to take 15 का
Yeah.
बैट. Great job. Very good.
But really good game.
Yes, good
मजा आई.
तो एक
काफी.
तो एक शेक्स एंड लैडर्स हो जाए, एक डांस. चलो बाय गाइस, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. दैट्स द शो.